What if you could turn any word into a bold, comic-style design in just a few clicks and make it ready for DTF printing? In this video, I'll show you how to transform ordinary texts into eye-catching comic artwork using AI inside Kittl, perfect for shirts, merch, and print on demand. The best part? You don't need to be a professional illustrator to do it. With just a few tools, you can create designs that look like they came straight out of a comic book. What is comic style? Comic style is inspired by comic books and graphic novels. It usually features bold outlines, high contrast colors, dynamic shading, halftone or pop art textures, and dramatic expressions or motion effects, giving designs a lively, energetic look. Originally popularized by superhero comics, this style has evolved into a modern trend used in streetwear, posters, stickers, and gaming merchandise. Why comic style works so well for DTF printing? One of the main reasons comic style works so well for DTF printing is its bold and clean structure. DTF printing performs best with strong outlines, high contrast colors, and clear separation between elements, which keeps designs sharp, vibrant, and easy to print on fabric. Comic-style artwork naturally has all of this. Bold lines keep the design crisp, and bright colors pop beautifully on DTF prints, making it perfect for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and other merch. Now that you know what comic-style artwork is and why it works so well for DTF printing, let's jump into Kittl. I'll show you step-by-step how to turn any text or image into a comic-style design and make it print-ready. Open Kittl and start a new project. Set the resolution to 300 dpi, and it will automatically change the size to 5000 by 5000 pixels. Then click Create. Now go to our website, transfersuperstars.com, and search for the word comic. Open the blog, then copy the prompt. Go back to Kittl and open the prompt box. Paste the prompt and edit the word based on your preference. For mine, I'll use the word comic. Next, we need to tweak this prompt a bit. End the sentence at the word above and then remove this part that I highlighted. Select your desired aspect ratio for the output. Make sure to use the Nano Banana 2 model. Change the number of outputs to at least 2 for more options, and then click Generate. And here are the results. Both look amazing, but if I were to pick one, I'd choose the one on top because it looks more balanced than the other one. So what we're going to do next is delete the other one. Then let's match the artboard size, fit it to the artboard. Now let's download the file. Click the artboard, then click the export icon. Change the resolution to 300 dpi, then click Export.
Hey superstars, print shops and clothing brands are already using these prompts to create effects that used to take hours in Photoshop. Puff print, leather patches, embroidery, silicone, denim, they're all AI generated, all DTF ready, all proven on real fabrics. The playbook is in the description below. Now back to our video.
And if you want to print your design, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. For gang sheet transfers, under the Gang Sheet section, click on DTF Gang Sheet Builder. Here you can choose how your gang sheet will be. Sizes range from 22 by 12 to 22 by 100. You can also select how many copies you want to order. Once you're set, click Build your DTF gang sheet. When prompted, click on Start a brand new gang sheet. Once done, click the image to place it on a gang sheet. Then click Edit Image to access this new feature on our website. As you can see, there are 5 tools here. For now, let's use the Colors tool, or Color Knockout tool. Just select the color you want to remove. Adjust the tolerance, and then click Remove Color. If you're satisfied with it, click Apply. Finalize the size and position for it to fit in the gang sheet according to your preference. Finally, click Save and then Add to Cart.
Most creators get stuck switching between a dozen different apps just to get one design right. You don't need a million subscriptions, you just need Kittl. Whether you're generating AI art, refining typography, or prepping files for print, Kittl's one of the tools that actually brings it all to life. Stop overcomplicating your workflow. Sign up using the link below to grab 25% off of any plan and start creating faster today. We got the design, let's take a closer look.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's take a closer look. Honestly, to take a closer look, it's really just to admire this design. I honestly gotta say I have no complaints. You can already tell it's very clean just from the get-go. I mean, doing a quick flip could easily show you guys how clean this is. Look at those edges. All right, you're not seeing any white going overlay. You're seeing everything crisp, even like the indentations within side. Yeah, it looks good. Looks great, guys. Let's not put this any further. Let's get started. For our heat press, we got our Geonite DK20. It has been in a lot of our older videos, but it's back for this project, so let's get started. For our heat press settings, we have it at 277 for 7 seconds. You could do either from 275 to 300 degrees. This is at 277, 276, okay? All right, guys, let's take a closer look here. So usual case, guys, we would either show you up on the laser or we would also show you with the alignment tool. But this was a little bit more on the custom side. We kind of saw that this didn't have a collar, so we kind of go based on us, okay? So we really just use our fingers to adjust, looking at the length. It's not even going up towards an inch. And it looks good, but you know, it's really just by eyeing. It's really just by eyeing it, guys, okay? So, all right, this is all set. We are going to heat press it now, guys. And just like that, that looks amazing. Okay, so again, this is an instant peel, so you can just peel it right away. It looks good, it looks great. We are going to use the same sheet because we want to get a little bit of a glossiness from it. It is trying to represent a more comic book feel, so wow, just spraying up right there. That's going to happen with those automatic actions. But it looks great, guys. Let's take a closer look. Take a closer look at this design. What I'm looking for is actually the edges. I want to see how clean they came out. They look pretty good. I like the dark shadow too. Came out really nice. Guys, I don't have any comments on this. I don't know if you see that, but you do see the lines within this design. So yeah, this came out perfect. We did really good on this. All right, well now you know too, you could definitely replicate this as well. And just like that, we took this from a digital idea to a real wearable design. From concept to creation, print to press, the full process, start to finish. If you enjoyed this or learned something new, hit the like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more DTF tips and creative breakdowns. See you guys in the next one.